Hello and welcome. My name is Diane Bleck. I am the founder of the Center for Visual Facilitation, and today I want to talk about your lighting and your cameras for working virtual. They are really so essential in this current age where we will be hybrid for a while, if not forever. And so your lighting, your backdrop, and your camera can carry 80% of your energy when you're online. So let me give you a tour of my exact setup that I have in my studio right now. So in my studio, you're gonna see first of all two lights right here. I have two stick lights, and these create a lot of great diffused lighting. I know a lot of people use a ring light here. I personally don't like them because I find that these stick lights create a better cast of light. You can also increase and decrease the intensity, and you can change it from yellow light to white light so that you can really balance what kind of light you want in the space. The next thing I have in my space that I'm going to share with you is I have two cameras. They're both Sony 6400s. And what I like about the Sony 6400s is they're a beautiful camera and they let in a lot of great light so that you won't look yellow and your purples will look like purples. So those are an important part of my setup. The other thing you might be interested in is my microphone. Sounding good is important as well. This is a Yeti microphone. And then the other thing that I have that's really essential to my current setup is this ATEM Mini. So this ATEM Mini, and what it is it's a switchboard. So this camera is plugged into it, this camera is plugged into it, my microphone is plugged in over here, and then that allows me to broadcast. But the most important thing is I can sit here in the studio. So look, here's me sitting at the studio, but I can also be drawing right here. I can also be drawing right here, and I can easily switch whenever I need to. So this setup allows me to easily toggle back and forth between two camera angles. It allows me to demonstrate things with my hands. It allows me to have really great lighting and record short videos, as well as teach online and then teach workshops through Zoom. So down below is a link to the 2022 virtual catalog, which has links to all the equipment that I use. If you are looking for any of those links, they're all inside of there. And I hope that you start to kind of look at your studio and how you're going to upgrade it for next year.